Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And please also pray for me. I hope you're waiting my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today bring some special beautiful crochet dog sweater ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. Most demanding collection. Very nice summer light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, different designing, fabulous crocheting work, beautiful summer granny square pattern. Follow my channel and you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet dog sweater. Some are simple and some are beautiful button up style, beautiful neck design, so cute sleeve design, beautiful ideas for your pet dog. Like and share my video with your family, friends, with cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet dog sweater. You can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, amigurumi pattern, different ideas about crochet. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye.